Need to fix Netflix crashing on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is move into the App Store. In the address bar, search for Netflix. Move into this app right here. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then click on update and update the app to latest version. Once updated, now move into the application Netflix. Close the application and then reopen it. It will refresh the app. If not, move into settings. Head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. Search for the application Netflix. Once found, click on it. Tap on offload app. Once again, click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.